In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can pair your Z-Wave deadbolts smart lock to your Ring security system. So this one's going to be a Schlage lock. So I already installed this. I showed you guys a video how to install it. This was the one that I used and really had good results with, and I used it for like 3 years and loved it. So just installed it here at this place, and now I'm going to connect it. I'll show you guys how to get that done. So real quick, you guys, so this is the Schlage smart lock. The thing about this is it is Z-Wave technology. It has no way to connect to your wireless network so that you can use it remotely with your app unless you connect it to a home device, you know, a home kit or a hub. So you will need something like that to connect it externally outside of your home. So I have a Ring alarm system and that is compatible. So let me show you how to do that. All right, so here we are with the Ring security system. So you're gonna see here, you can go to locks, and then you can go to integrated experience, arm and disarm your Ring alarm system with your smart locks, Z-Wave locks only. So we're gonna click on setup locks, and it's gonna say Z-Wave locks requires a Ring alarm base station. We already have that. We're gonna select the one that we have. So ours is the Schlage, so we're gonna go down and click on which one it is, which in our case is the be469zp. So just make sure that whatever you click on looks like the right one, and that is ours. So we're gonna say ready. Tap the scan QR code button, turn over your device, and scan it. So I actually already have the code, so I'm just gonna go ahead and enter the number manually. So I'll do that. Obviously I'm not gonna tell you what the code is, but enter yours right here, and then we'll be back to the next screen. Once you enter in your code, it's gonna say turn on your devices, then tap got it. So it's listening for the device. Okay, so as it says listening for device, you do have to go up here, take the cover off, see a little red button. You're gonna press it until you see that start blinking. Then it will say configuring device. So let it do its thing, and then it's gonna flash green, and then we should be good to go. There we go, device added successfully. So now you can see here's the lock, no room assigned. You know, you can change the details, the room, the name of the lock, all that good stuff here. So next up, you can add your personalized codes. It says saving user codes, so you can add as many as you want, and it'll save them to the lock. So here's the cool part I was telling you guys about. You can unlock and lock, and it will, you know, arm and disarm your alarm system from here. So you can turn this on, front door lock, unlocking will disarm. So you can save this, and you can choose whether you do or don't want it to do this. So locking, yeah, with the access code or with one touch, either one will arm the alarm. So again, you can, you know, choose your preferences however you please. All right, guys, so here's where the cool part comes in. So once you configure it, I did have to reboot my base station on my Ring for it to finally take effect. But as soon as I did that, now my alarm code works on the actual keypad on the door. It arms and disarms. The other cool thing is you can see the status of the door. So it says unlocked, and I can actually lock it and unlock it from here. So watch. Right now you can see here, it is unlocked. If I hit this button, it locks itself, and then it'll confirm the status of it, and then I can even unlock it as well from here. So it's going to arm it, and if I unlock it, you can see there it literally moves back. So super cool. So the other cool part about this is if you're leaving, like I said, you can use this as your keypad. So if I just hit the lock button, or you can have it so you have to actually put in your passcode, but if I hit the lock button, you can see here right now it's disarmed. If I hit this lock button, it's gonna change the status of my alarm to away. And then same thing, so it's telling me the door is locked, it's away. If I put in my code, which I'm not gonna show you, but I'll just go over here so you can hear it. This is the keypad code for my alarm. So now it's gonna disarm the system. All right, so that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I just wanna show you guys how you can quickly and easily add that. You can add access codes, a bunch of different users, and it will send whatever code you assign it in the Ring app. It will send it directly to your door. So you don't have to fidget around with programming codes and all that stuff. You can actually program the code from your Ring app, which is way easier than having to read a manual and do all that stuff. So if you guys like this, found it helpful or informative, make sure you give a thumbs up. Check out the other videos on the channel. I'm gonna be doing some other stuff with this Ring alarm as well. Right now I'm playing around with some range extenders and trying to get it a little bit further so that I can actually have 2 buildings on one system, which I know a lot of people are interested in. So if you guys are interested in any of that stuff, stick around. We'll catch you guys on the next video.